Come test drive this 2010 GMC Canyon. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined 5-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, a tachometer, a leather steering wheel, a rear step bumper, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, an outside temperature display, a bed liner, and cruise control. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.